For future leaders or OTC cadets, here's how to disassemble and assemble the M16 rifle, which is a crucial skill for maintenance and understanding the weapon's mechanics. Disassembly. 1. Safety first. Before starting, ensure the rifle is unloaded. Remove the magazine, visually inspect the chamber and confirm no rounds are present. 2. Separate upper and lower receivers. Push out the rear takedown pin, allowing the upper receiver to pivot upwards from the lower receiver. Push out the front takedown pin to fully separate the upper receiver from the lower receiver. 3. Remove bolt carrier group. Pull the charging handle to the rear to expose the BCG. Slide the BCG out of the upper receiver. 4. Remove charging handle. Pull the charging handle rearward and slightly downward to remove it from the upper receiver. 5. Disassemble the BCG. Remove the firing pin retaining pin. Remove the firing pin. Remove the cam pin and then the bolt from the carrier. Assembly. 1. Assemble the BCG. Insert the bolt back into the carrier. Insert the cam pin. Insert the firing pin. Insert the firing pin retaining pin. 2. Insert charging handle. Slide the charging handle into its slot in the upper receiver. 3. Insert BCG. Slide the BCG into the upper receiver. 4. Rejoin upper and lower receivers. Align the upper receiver with the lower receiver. Push the front takedown pin through to secure the front. Pivot the upper receiver down and push the rear takedown pin through to secure the rear. Our OTC programs often include training on the assembly and disassembly of the M16 rifle. Some our OTC cadets participate in events such as the Ranger Challenge, which tests teamwork and physical abilities, including the assembly, disassembly of an M16 rifle.